This is the brief on energy operations and maintenance contracts. Most businesses only ever chase those short-term construction projects, totally missing that the real, long-lasting revenue kicks in after the construction ends. So why are we all so focused on the ribbon-cutting ceremony when the actual profitable marathon hasn't even started yet? First, let's look at the massive scale of operations and maintenance, or O&M. We're talking about 5 to 20 years of recurring revenue across everything from electrical to IT when maintaining assets like power grids and solar farms. Basically, if construction is just buying a new car, O&M is the decades of fuel, oil changes, and mechanic visits. That is where the reliable money actually lives. But, well, here's the catch. Second, buyers nowadays absolutely demand what's called local content, which means you literally have to strengthen the local economy by using local suppliers, hiring local workers, and delivering real community benefits. You might think, hey, I've got the best tech or the lowest price, so I'm definitely going to win. But no way. If you aren't actively boosting that local economy, you are leaving major money on the table. So how do you actually prove you're meeting that demand? Well, finally, you need a verifiable success plan, like connecting with a local content advisor. Earning designations like Local Content Certified and Most Trusted Companies acts just like a verified blue checkmark for your business, instantly building trust with prime contractors without them just having to take your word for it. Ultimately, securing that long-term predictable infrastructure revenue isn't just about proving you can maintain the equipment. It's really about proving your commitment to maintaining the local community.